Imran Hashmi is one of those actors who has this huge fan following. I mean, I'm telling you, I've had hairstylists and makeup artists call me and tell me that listen now, let us come now once, just want to see him and all. He was so pally with all of us. So I think जब वहाँ से ही इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं है तो मतलब हम सब में क्यों होगी. अगर हर कोई इनसिक्योर होता है कि नहीं मेरा क्लोज लगना चाहिए, मेरा टू शॉट लगना चाहिए, मेरा डायलॉग ऐसे, then तो फिर सब अपना अपना ही देख रहे हैं.
Do you think now casting directors will look at you in a different way?
I hope they do. I really hope they do. Because क्या हो जाता है कि कभी कभी आप अच्छा काम तो करते रहते हो बट वो नोटिस होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. आई एम वेरी फियरलेस. बीच में आ गया था थोड़ा बहुत फियर कि ये करूँगी तो क्या होगा, वो करूँगी तो क्या होगा. बट आई थिंक व्हाट हैज़ रियली वर्कड फॉर मी इज़ बीइंग फियरलेस. ये जर्नी ना बहुत अकेली होती है एंड टू kind of get up from your bed, push yourself. Even today, if somebody tells me you want to do this all over again, I will do it very very happy. करके तो देखते हैं. And there have been a lot of misses. There have been a very few hits and a lot of misses. But it's okay. It's part and parcel of the game. I mean, you know, those ups and downs have, like you said, have made me the person I am today. अभी इतना बोल चुके ना लोग, मतलब वो वाला है ना, वो प्रियंका चोपड़ा का एक डायलॉग है कि किसी को इतना भी मत डराओ कि डर ही खत्म हो जाए.
My guest today is somebody who each time I watch on screen, I am just so hooked and how that I just keep watching again and again. And that's exactly what happened very recently when I watched Taskari and my mind was blown to see the brilliant Amrita Khanvilkar in it. And oh my God, she is kicking and how. And today she joins me on FPJ Showbiz. Thank you, Amrita, for doing this.
Thank you so much. It's such a pleasure.
Same here. You know, it makes my heart so happy when I finally see talented actors get such strong parts. How was your first reaction like when you got to know about your role and the script?
So, when I went to Neeraj sir's office, I was offered another part.
अच्छा.
And then I don't know what happened. Raghav sir said कि एक काम करो अमृता, ये वाली स्क्रिप्ट जरा ऑडिशन करके दिखाओ. तो मैंने वो की. And then they were like, okay, so just prepare this scene and we'll take you to Neeraj sir's office and then you can do this scene again. मैंने वहाँ पे किया and Neeraj sir was like, okay, चलो ठीक है. Welcome on board. We want to offer you a different role. Which is a little meteor role and everything. आपको एक्शन आती है? मैंने कहा सर मैं डांसर हूँ, मुझे कोरियोग्राफी आती है, आप मुझे दिखा दोगे ना क्या करना है, मैं सीख लूँगी. एंड इन 45 minutes to 1 hour आई सॉ द एंटायर एक्शन सीक्वेंस जो हमने एक्चुअली शूट भी किया. एंड दे वर लाइक या ओके, वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड एज मिताली कामत. एंड दैट इज हाउ आई गॉट मिताली कामत. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, जैसे जैसे मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ती गई आई वाज लाइक, oh my God, this character is something that I resonate with so much because I am this bindas. Of course, I'm not a single mother, but I'm this bindas, no nonsense, can kick your ass any point of time girl. And this is one role that is so close to me. So I was very, very thrilled. मतलब मेरा second day of shooting was the action sequence. And second day of shooting, I kicked some ass. I literally, planted some punches and everything. And literally planted a punch on the stunt guy's jaw. And मेरा हाथ पूरा सूज गया था. But in 15 minutes we had to shift from one location to the other, put on boxing gloves. और वो montage में जो मैं boxing करते दिखाई दे रही हूँ ना, एक हाथ में मेरे माप का जो है वो glove है और एक हाथ में there is 2 size bigger because पूरा हाथ सूज गया था मेरा. But I mean, what a day I had. That day was just fantastic. There was some kicking, there was punching, there was crying, there was, there was boxing. Everything was happening that one day. So it was great. I mean, to play Mitali Kamath was absolute fun rather than a challenge.
I am sure. You know, I could feel the enthusiasm while watching it only. I was like, she's killing it and how. And, I remember very fewer times do I genuinely watch something and I go on Instagram or WhatsApp and quickly text the actor because it was translating through screen.
True.
It felt like you were genuinely just waiting for this one opportunity because action, honestly, a lot of people do it, but to make it also look real
Yeah.
is a task. Tell me
Yeah.
about it. You also got hurt, you just told. That is like dedication, and how in 15 minutes you were back at it.
Yeah. I think, you know, as a dancer, there's so much of energy
Yeah.
in me. As a person only, there's so much of energy in me. So all that I just, और ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब वो कहता है ना कि नहीं यार बहुत जद्दोजहद करके मैंने ये किया. नहीं, it just came naturally to me. It truly came naturally to me, and I feel that little wild instinct that I have as Amruta,
Yeah.
it just kind of got channelized in that action. And you know, Raghav sir was like, Amruta, what energy. I'm like, sir, energy is something that मतलब है,
Yeah.
वो सोलार की तरह है. मतलब उसको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, एंड आई जस्ट काइंड ऑफ जस्ट वांट टू गिव इट माय बेस्ट. सो बहुत मज़ा आया एक्शन करते वक्त. एंड ऑल्सो इट जस्ट काइंड ऑफ ना, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि पूरा यूनिट जो है किसी एक्टर के बारे में एक मोमेंट के बाद यू नो शिफ्ट हो जाता है उनका एक ऑरा उस एक्टर के बारे में. दैट वाज माय शिफ्ट. I think everybody I became friends with on set, the action master, the ADs, and everybody. I think I became friends with all of them, and they were like, "Yeah, cool hai yaar, yeah, Mitali is really cool." So that is amazing, yeah.
Wow. But you know, when you work on a multi-starrer, there are a lot of such notions that actors tend to get insecure. किसी का part छोटा काम, ये देख के मेरे को लगा, I don't know what was going on set, but I thought every role was so well written.
Absolutely.
It had its own story,
Absolutely.
own journey. I did not feel कि ये hero है, ये heroine है. I felt everyone was doing their part excellently. But
I also feel that credit goes to the director and also the main actor who's acting. I think the credit goes to Neeraj Pandey sir, the unit that is there. I mean, Friday Storytellers, I think the entire production is just so great. Everybody is so focused and so professional. And plus Imran sir. I mean, Imran Hashmi is one of those actors who has this huge fan following. I mean, I'm telling you, I've had hairstylists and makeup artists call me and tell me that, listen now, let us come now once, just want to see him and all. I mean, I've got these ladies calling me up and everything. And but he was so focused, he was so professional, and he was so approachable. Yeah, as a huge star he was so approachable. मतलब मेरी उनकी और नंदिश की एक camaraderie है जो आपको दिखाई देती है. And I'm like that, you know, कि किसी को कुछ भी बोल देगी वाला एक zone है मिताली का. But he made me so comfortable. He was, if I had any questions, he used to tell me, अच्छा ये ऐसा है वैसा है. And you know, he was so pally with all of us. So I think जब वहाँ से ही insecurity नहीं है तो मतलब हम सब में क्यों होगी, you know, that's the thing.
Do you feel secure actors also enhance your performance and vice versa?
Absolutely. I mean, when when two actors, when they're doing a scene, when they're secured ना कि ये इसकी लाइन है, ये मेरी लाइन है, ये मेरी स्पेस है, ये मेरा जो भी मतलब जो भी कुछ हमारा करके निकलता है ना, तब जाके वो प्रोडक्ट जो है ना, तब जाके वो वर्क करता है. सी तस्करी today, why people are noticing my character, it's because everybody's done their job.
Yes.
The writer has written the role absolutely amazingly, the director has given it full justice, given it full screen time and everything, and then today people can see it. अगर हर कोई insecure होता है कि नहीं मेरा close लगना चाहिए, मेरा two shot लगना चाहिए, मेरा dialogue ऐसे, then तो फिर सब अपना अपना ही देख रहे हैं. And that is why I feel that any film or any project is always a teamwork. Yeah. When it works, when it is as successful as Taskari, it is always a teamwork.
Absolutely. But you know, Amrita, of course, today we are talking about your success, but I do know you have had a journey. It was filled with ups and downs,
Yes.
of course, happy moments, low moments, but together it has made you who you are today.
Yes.
I'm sure. But you know, does it become overwhelming now because you have also gone through a lot making your own name without having that godfather, as we say in this industry? Of course, it has been difficult, but I never see you being bittery about it. You are always very positive about your journey. Today, do you feel, okay, I did get my due in some way?
So I'll tell you what, about 2-3 years back, I mean, of course, you know, ups and downs तो होता है. So जब भी down रहा है, I started journaling a lot. And trust me, just yesterday night when I got that little time all to myself, I've only written that I'm absolutely grateful for this time.
Wow.
Because when you don't have this, you know, today whatever I'm seeing, it's overwhelming. People are coming and telling me. There are people from everywhere and anywhere telling me that they've seen Taskari. For me, that's the win for the team. I'm not saying seen me, they like me, they love me or whatever, you know. There are kind-hearted souls like you who will come and tell me and who will message me and all. But कि मेरा जिस प्रोजेक्ट में मैं हूँ वो प्रोजेक्ट इतना देखा जा रहा है ना, यही मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. ऑफ कोर्स देन एक इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक आप एक अप्रोच या फिर एक आपका अपना अपना एक यू नो एक नज़रिया होता है. बट आई फील एज अ टीम when as a team when you work na bhai, tab everything works for you. And it's very important for a series or a project or a film to work for every little or big member to benefit from.
Yeah.
So I'm not one of those people जो नहीं यार मेरा चला कि नहीं मेरा कितना. I'm not one of those people. When I saw myself on the poster of Netflix, I was like, oh my God, that is me.
Yeah.
On that BKC highway जहाँ पे इतने बड़े बड़े लोगों के मैंने hoardings और posters देखे हुए हैं. And my first association with Netflix, and you know, they were kind enough to put us as a team.
Yes.
If you see, Imran is with the team.
Of course.
And it is such a great feeling.
Yeah.
It is such a great feeling. And that also, that credit goes again to the maker, to Neeraj Pandey sir.
Yeah.
Because जितना उन्होंने राइटिंग में हर किरदार को जस्टिस दिया है ना, उतना ही प्रमोशन हो या फिर आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स हो, हर किसी को जो है ना उतना फुटेज मिला है. एंड आई थिंक दैट टॉक्स अ लॉट अबाउट द मेकर दैट ही इज.
You know, while watching also, not even once did I feel that Imran, you know, he is the
Overshadowing, yeah.
Overshadowing भी नहीं, मतलब वो तो चलो I know that he's not that kind of an actor, but I did not feel that he's Imran Hashmi.
Yeah.
And I felt it's a team only, because I remember there were episodes dedicated to you guys individually
Yes,
also,
yes.
where Imran was missing for most part of
Yes,
it.
yes.
And I did not feel, oh, he's the big actor and he should be there, because I think even the makers didn't have that in mind. Do you think that also worked for the show? Because we didn't want to just see that star versus actor thing. We wanted everyone to see as a team.
I think a maker like Neeraj Pandey is so authentic and so honest to his script that the script is the hero for him. I mean, whatever work I've followed of him, why do we love a Wednesday? Why do we love a Khaki? It's because it is true to its nature. It is true to its world. अब उस वर्ल्ड में किरदार बहुत है. उस वर्ल्ड में शरद केलकर भी है, उस वर्ल्ड में नंदिश भी है, मैं भी हूँ, इमरान भी है. बट हम सब एक किरदार है. द रियल हीरो इज द स्टोरी. एंड आई थिंक व्हेन you understand that as a maker, as a director, then nothing can go wrong. You know that मैं customs का वर्ल्ड दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ and मुझे इस वर्ल्ड से ट्रू रहना है. फिर मेरे किरदार तो आते जाते रहेंगे, you know, कि मिताली will come, मिताली will go, मिताली will have her lows and ups and downs. Nandish will have, that character will have his, Gujjar will have his ups and downs and everything. But I have to be true to the world, and I have to be true to the script, my hero, that is the script. Yeah.
But thank God you didn't die. I was like, because I knew one person. I knew one person would die out of the three of you, and I was like, I was like, she shouldn't die, because you know, of course, I felt sad for whoever died. We were not. I think most of people have watched it.
Gujjar,
but yeah. When Nandish also died, I felt bad, but I was like, thank God, because you also bring that fun element. And now everyone wants to know, is the second season happening? When is it happening? What's the scene?
Neeraj sir, this is for you. Agar second season ho to yaar nothing like it. I think people would love to watch the second season for Taskari for sure.
Do you think now casting directors will look at you in a different way?
I hope they do. I really hope they do. Because क्या हो जाता है कि कभी कभी आप अच्छा काम तो करते रहते हो, बट वो नोटिस होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. A small pinch of success is also very very essential for people to notice you. I really hope कि notice हूँ मैं, और I can only keep trying. I can only keep nudging them in the right direction. That's about it.
You know, Amrita, do you feel you have ever been put in a box? Because as actors, I hear this so many times, and I absolutely hate it. TV actor, South actor, Marathi actor, Hindi actor. I'm like, an actor, an artist is an artist, no matter what medium they work in. But I have also heard actors come out and say, because of that medium, we have lost on work.
Okay.
Has that ever happened to you?
No, not really. I've done a lot of reality
Yeah.
shows, yeah. And I've been a part of most of the reality shows. And I've enjoyed doing them. But I've enjoyed doing them, and my only thing is कि मतलब अगर मराठी एक्टर है तो है, कोई कहीं से तो होगा ही ना, मतलब कोई कहीं साउथ से होगा, मलयालम से होगा, तेलुगु से होगा, तमिल से होगा, कोई किसी रीजन से होगा, कोई किसी सरनेम का होगा. बट क्या कर सकते हैं अभी, कोई कहीं से तो होगा ना, ऐसा थोड़ी ना कि क्लीन स्लेट मिल जाएगा आपको. बट आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव एवर फेस्ड दैट. Being a Maharashtrian actor, I think there is a lot of respect for Marathi actors any which ways. And you know, मैंने थिएटर में इतना काम नहीं किया है, but फिर भी आप मराठी एक्टर हो, इसीलिए आपको रिस्पेक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा मिलती है. Especially with casting directors and all, they will only call you for really meaty and really challenging roles. And that is something that I have noticed with Marathi actors and casting directors.
Are you happy now? Finally, these lines are getting blurred, and you know, everyone from across India are coming together and they're working.
Absolutely. I mean, I really feel that is what we needed to stand as an industry. Because television actor, non-television actor, OTT actor, फिल्म एक्टर, ये तो बहुत बात की बात है. पहले मीडियम्स और लैंग्वेजेस की जो लाइंस है ना, वो पहले ब्लर कर लो. मुझे ऐसा लगता है हर किसी एक्टर को, हर किसी डायरेक्टर और राइटर को, म्यूजिशियन को हर जगह काम करना चाहिए. वेर एवर योर टैलेंट टेक्स यू, जस्ट गो देयर. And I think it is, you know, I'm talking this on behalf of all the actors, because today the world is as vast as it's coming close, you know. It's as simple as that. मतलब हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे पाम पे पूरी दुनिया है, और वैसे देखा जाए तो दुनिया कितनी बड़ी है. So I think for actors I would want to say कि do everything that would make you reach out the audiences in every possible way. Only then you can survive. And if you are feeling stagnant, or if you feel that no roles are coming, then try something different. I think to keep trying different is what will give you audiences love. This is what I have understood.
Absolutely. I agree to whatever you said, you know, but on low days, who's it that pushes you the most, or are you that person कि मैं खुद को ही, you know, I push myself?
See, to an extent your family does support you, but ना यार, ये जर्नी ना बहुत अकेली होती है. And to kind of get up from your bed, push yourself to go to that gym and to eat healthy and to look right, to take care of your skin, to go do the audition. कभी गाड़ी है, कभी नहीं है, कभी ऑटो रिक्शा, कभी बस, कभी अब मतलब फ्रेंड की गाड़ी लेकर जाओ. ये सब करना पड़ता है, ये सब मैंने किया हुआ है. And even today, if somebody tells me you want to do this all over again, I will do it very, very happily, because I feel nothing gives me happiness more than being in front of the camera, being in front of my audience, and then understanding what my audience needs from me. I think it really makes me very, very happy.
So sweet. But you know, more than 2 decades you've
Yeah.
spent, you are still as relevant, and that's very difficult, because we see so many actors come who are also talented, but maybe they fade away, people forget about them, but you've maintained your space in the industry, because also you've worked across industries.
Yes.
Right? How did you do you have like a secret to it? How did you manage to do that?
No, I think I'm very fearless.
Okay.
बीच में आ गया था थोड़ा बहुत fear कि ये करूँगी तो क्या होगा, वो करूँगी तो क्या होगा. But I think what has really worked for me is being fearless. ये करना है, चलो करके देखते हैं. ये करना है, चलो करके देखते हैं. क्या हो जाएगा? फेलियर हो जाएगा ना. अच्छा, nobody from my house has ever made it into this industry, so I'm the first one, you know. तो मतलब if ऐसा मैं किसका नाम खराब करूँगी, अपना ही नाम खराब करूँगी ना. तो करके तो देखते हैं. And there have been a lot of misses, there have been a very few hits and a lot of misses, but it's okay. It's part and parcel of the game. I mean, you know, those ups and downs have, like you said, have made me the person I am today. So I'm very proud of everything that I've done. There are certain regrets in life, but क्या करे अभी, हो गया तो हो गया.
You know, another thing public figures have to deal with is this constant scrutiny that comes through either social media
Yes.
or media. You know, it's very sad that even today media people do not reach out to actors directly and get a confirmation. They just write whatever they think will be clickbaity, which also, you know, I'm from the same industry, so it also puts all of us into that one box, that media SEE hai, which I don't like, because
Of
some
course.
people are ethical, they will check.
Absolutely.
Even today in 2026, when this happens, it boils my blood. I'm like, you can pick up the phone, clarify with the actor. You've been through all of this. You've sometimes put a story
Yeah.
also that this is bullshit, it's not
Yeah.
true. Today, how have you become better at dealing with it? Because earlier, of course, you were also not this mature.
Yeah, I was very naive and you know, it used to bother me a lot. बट अभी इतना बोल चुके ना लोग, मतलब वो वाला है ना, वो प्रियंका चोपड़ा का एक डायलॉग है कि किसी को इतना भी मत डराओ कि डर ही खत्म हो जाए. तो मतलब आप कितना ही बात करोगे, मतलब कितना बॉडी शेम करोगे, कितना मतलब यू नो आप ये नहीं करते, आप ये करते हो, कितना बोलोगे, फिर पर्सनल लाइफ पे बोलेंगे. एक पॉइंट के बाद थक ही जाएंगे ना. देखो मुझे तो अपनी लाइफ तो जीनी है. आप आपकी सुर्खियों में मैं एक बार आऊंगी, 2 बार आऊंगी, पूरी मतलब आपका पूरा साल तो मेरे ऊपर नहीं जाएगा ना. तो कभी ना कभी तो यू आर गोइंग टू गो साइलेंट. आई जस्ट वेट फॉर दैट पेशेंटली नाउ. हो गया तेरा, चलो ठीक है, ओके. It's as simple as that. I think a lot of my ups and downs have taught me a lot of patience.
Yeah.
It has taught me, it has made me thick-skinned, and it's good. Thick-skinned for certain aspects of the industry, like rumors and this and that, and I don't really care anymore. Really. मेरा काम पहुंच रहा है ना भाई, बस खत्म हो गई बात. आप मुझे कुछ भी पूछो, जवाब क्या देना है वो मेरे हाथ में.
But you know, lastly, before we wrap this conversation, what excites the actor within you now? Because now you've tried a lot of things. I'm sure a lot of things are pending from heart that you want to try. But what are the 2-3 things that come to your mind?
I think that one thing that I'm manifesting with every interview that I'm doing is working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Oh my God.
I mean,
Wow.
I had this beautiful opportunity to interact with him during my Marathi film Chandramukhi, and he loved my songs and everything. And then we've been exchanging messages and all. But to be working with him, I think it's the work of the universe.
Yeah.
And I really hope that the universe listens to me, and someday I am in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali project. That is something that I'm manifesting truly from the bottom of my heart.
Well, I wish that happens very soon. I was just imagining you in that Anarkali doing
Just
a
beautiful,
beautiful song directed
Yeah.
by
Oh
him
my God.
in a project. But good things happen to good people. So I
Yes.
hope this works for
I
you.
really hope so.
But until then, you are already enjoying the success of Taskari. I hope a season 2 is in the
I really hope
lineup.
so. I really hope so. Friday story. Tuesdays. Yeah.
But on that note, thank you so much,
Thank you so
Amrita.
much.
Pleasure talking to you.
Same here, love. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Namaste. This is Amrita Khanvilkar, and you are watching me on FPJ, Free Press Journal, on Showbiz.